XRP holders, if you hold XRP, this is the video for you because I'm going to talk about something that is massive that is coming, and I want you to be aware of it. This is good news. So if you're new to me, do two things for me. Smash that like button and please consider subscribing. I cover XRP every single day with one goal to help you navigate XRP and all of crypto and make more money in this crazy crypto market that is about to explode. And I've got some proof for that. I'm going to show you some historical data that you're going to be pretty amazed about. And here we go. So with that, let's take a look at what I've got for you. Okay. So right now, crypto is quite frankly not doing a whole heck of a lot right this second. Okay. And if we take a look at XRP's chart, we can see that XRP's chart right now is really kind of in a, again, a kind of a downward momentum scenario, right? We see that, we know that. Although right here, we've consolidated just a little bit, maybe starting to go sideways. That's where we're at. Now, that's the bad news, if you will. To me, it's not that big of a deal. I'm not overly worried about it. Right here to here, we had a 40% move up from that alert to that alert. By the way, that's my software. The link's in the description below if you want to pick it up. That's my trading indicator. There it is. You can get a discount code down there as well. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. So it gives you alerts on when to buy and when to sell. By the way, this was Solana. It gave alert right there. Solana gave it alert and gave and had some other ones along the way you could have bought and sold. But ultimately, it's 164% between buy and sell. And there was another one I was going to show you. XRP. Yeah, Bitcoin has done that right here. Here's Bitcoin. There's an alert. All the way up to there. It's gone all the way up here. That's a 38+%. But now Bitcoin's in a sideways consolidation scenario as well. Okay. So we know that's what's going on. And by the way, there it is with XRP. You can use it on stocks too and things of that nature. So here's what I wanted to show you. It's about to take off. The rocket's about to take off. It's about to start going. Now, we all know that what's going to happen. We got the Bitcoin ETF coming. We know that. We've got the Bitcoin halving coming. But what I wanted to show you is I wanted to go back. Excuse me. That's Raider. He's giving you his opinion as well. Somebody's walking by the house. This is the Bollinger Band's monthly phases for Bitcoin. Don't tune me out. Okay. Here's why I want to show you this. Look, Bitcoin is right here, 738 billion. And right here where my mouse is, Bitcoin dominance, 51%. What does that mean? That means that Bitcoin makes up 50% of that number right there. Bitcoin makes up 50% of the market. So it is fair to say that where Bitcoin goes, the rest shall follow. Everybody, Ethereum, XRP, all that kind of stuff, right? Okay, now I want to show you this. Look at this. So this goes historically back to all the way to 2011. And it's got 1, 2, 3 phases. So you can see the numbers 1, 2, and 3, okay? And this right here where my mouse is in the upper right-hand corner of your screen is where we're at right now. We're coming out of a phase 2, which has basically been candle body touches are close above the upper band. And you can see historically you've had a phase 1 right here. Like if you look at you've had phase 1 where it's bearish price action, and then you move into a phase 2. And then then right there is when a phase 3 scenario kicks in. And phase 3 is when price stays mostly over the upper band during the bull market. And you can see on the right-hand corner, I don't know if you can see what these numbers are, but right now, we know Bitcoin's around 37,000. Well, this is showing Bitcoin going all the way up over 130,000 plus. So 37 to 137. My point to you is we are about to enter into that phase 3 where my mouse is and move into that major bull run. Again, we all know it's going to happen. But my point to you is this is not some graph that was just made up. This is historical data from 2011 to now, showing the phases of Bitcoin and how it is just done the same thing every single time in the last, from now in the last 12 years, but going all the way out to 2025. So everybody pretty much readily agrees, bears and bulls, that's going to happen. Now, what is the impact of that on XRP? Well, again, XRP is going to roll along with Bitcoin as it rolls up to that 130,000 plus. That's it. The rocket is taking off. I mean, and by the way, this is outside of any positive catalyst events that will happen to that XRP does on its own, right? So my point to you is as the entire crypto market lifts and everything goes up, XRP will go up along with it. So it's time to buy, in my opinion, has been time to buy. I've continued to accumulate, continue to buy XRP because I think at this, you're going to look back and go, man, I remember it one day when XRP was, 62 cents. You'd be telling your grandkids or your kids, I remember back in the day, I bought XRP at 62 cents and, XRP, is trading at whatever it will be then 20, 30, 40, $50, whatever the number is. It will be awesome to see that. Right. But what I really want you to leave the video with is this. I want you to know that everybody, including myself out there, knows this is coming and it's going to positively impact XRP. By the way, it's going to positively impact all crypto, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, you name it. It's going to impact Ethereum, obviously. It's going to impact everything. That's the good news. Okay. So the rocket is about to take off. Are your bags packed? Do you have a plan? Do you have your XRP? Have you bought XRP? Because you're going to look back and you're going to be like, man, I wish that I had, my XRP bought at 62 cents, right? And this is the chart I was showing. Chart I was showing. I'm sorry, I realized I wasn't showing you that a minute ago. The bag, are your bags packed? This is the chart. This is the chart that just proves it. Okay, this is it. All right. And by the way, if you want to find this yourself, it's CryptoCon. Basically, he's got great overall kind of macro Bitcoin, analysis and things like that. So just check that out. Okay. So final thought again, pick up my indicator if you want down in the description below. I mean, you can basically try it for 30 days, no questions asked, because you're protected by that money back guarantee. And by the way, it lets you know when to buy and when to sell. Like, look, buy right here. There's a buy alert. There's a sell alert. That's a 40% return. And sell, don't take that loss, right? Solana, buy. You could have sold a few times along the way, but ultimately 164% on that scenario there. I mean, the same thing for Bitcoin, buy, and then you could write it if you want, but it did give you an alert, said, hey, it's time to sell. And then obviously Bitcoin's been in this kind of sideways, somewhat consolidating period, although it is gradually stepping up, because again, this is leading into the good times that are coming. Okay. I think you get my point. Okay. Links in the description below. Pick it up. This is the thank you page where you see everything is here. Videos are here that will take you through everything you need. 7, 8 videos that walk you through it. You're up and running in 10 minutes. You can set up alerts to be sent to this device. And it tells you when to buy and sell any and all crypto. By the way, it works on stocks too. Let me show you this. Netflix. This is the Netflix chart. Look right here. So there's sell, buy. It's like this right here, this buy alert that just went down in October 23rd. That's 21%, 22%. Also tells you when to buy and sell Netflix, Apple, Amazon, any of the stocks, gold, crypto, anything like that. All right. See you. Bye. Go pick it up.